Ada Ide.
Anụ ụlọ dị iche iche n'asụsụ Igbo. Names of domestic animals in Igbo language. Ewu, goat, ewu, goat. Ọkụkọ, chicken, ọkụkọ, chicken. Nkịta, dog, nkịta, dog. Torotoro, turkey, torotoro, turkey. Atụrụ, sheep, atụrụ, sheep. Ọbọgwụ, duck, ọbọgwụ, duck. Ezi, pig, ezi, pig. Ehi, cow, ehi, cow. Ịnyịnya, horse, ịnyịnya, horse. Oke oyibo, rabbit, oke oyibo, rabbit. Oke ọkpa, rooster, oke ọkpa, rooster. Ọgazị, guinea fowl, ọgazị, guinea fowl. Oke, rat, oke, rat. Ebule, ram, ebule, ram. Nwaologbo, cat, nwaologbo, cat. Ịnyịnya ibu, donkey, ịnyịnya ibu, donkey. These are the names of domestic animals in Igbo language. Keep practicing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Kemesia.